What's up YouTube, it's Eric from Dose of ET here, bringing you guys another video with apps. So we're going to start off with our first app here, which is our Galaxy Backlight, back button light. So basically what this app does is you can control your backlights, which are down here, your menu and your back button. So basically your first one is time remaining, on how long you want to keep them on. Then you have always on, always off, or default. So if you choose one of those, then you just hit this button right here, which is save button backlight behavior. Basically this only works for Galaxy phones, so if you have a Galaxy phone, any type of Galaxy phone that will have backlights on it, which is basically every Galaxy phone I'm pretty sure, then this is definitely something I recommend. But mostly for people that have like the Note 5, which is what I have right now, because I can't control my backlight. It's nowhere in the settings, so I have to download this app to control what I want to do with them. But some of the other Galaxy phones you can control, but this thing is just a nice app to have instead of going through all your settings and trying to find it. But the next app we have here is Power Pro. This is basically another battery app, kind of like the ones I reviewed before. Excuse me. So basically, you can hit your optimize right here. It'll go through your entire battery, optimize all your apps. Down here, you have your apps remaining in background. Then you have your extra battery consumption, then data use. Right here is your brightness you can control. Then if you go up into settings, you got super optimized, then everything else that you need to know. You can enable notifications when something pops up. Like I'm pretty sure, yeah, see I have a notification right now that says I have 78 apps running in the background. We'll just swipe and clear that. But basically that it's a easy and simple app to use compared to the other ones that have multiple features. Like this one's not going to give you something to control basically every feature. It just likes to be plain and simple and just tell you the basic things you need to know for this app, and basically things that you need to do in general to try to optimize your battery if you can. But that's that app. So the next app we have here is MLG TV. If any of you guys know what MLG stands for, it's Major League Gaming. So basically what this app is just broadcasting all the Major League games that are played on multiple games. As of right now, you can see this is the live feed of games that are being played. So you got Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, Gears, then Super Smash Brothers, which is for a while, Hearthstone. You got a couple games in there. But if you go down here, you can explore and look up more stuff, then notifications on each one of these games, so you can like them, and it'll give you a notification when they'll be being played. Basically, you can go through here. There's Destiny, Gears of War, Overwatch. So there's not a lot of games going on right now, but there's a good amount. But there'll be more as more games are getting broadcasted. Then you got your schedule, which is just a schedule of events of when they're going to happen. Obviously I don't have anything right now because I haven't scheduled anything, but that's basically it. There's usually some type of gaming going on. Not every day it'll be live. Some of these will be probably repeats, but the majority of it will be live. But as you can tell, some of them don't say live. See, that one says replay. Then obviously this is live right now, so I'd be able to watch it right now if I was going to click on it. But if I do click on it, you can see that there's a chat, and I can click in here and type stuff into the chat with other people that are talking and watching the same thing. Obviously no one's talking in the chat right now, or it just hasn't loaded yet, but it doesn't look like anyone's talking. But you'll have to watch an ad first, which kind of sucks. But once the ad's over, it'll go into loading the game stream, so which it is right now. So you can watch these people play. So obviously this is Gears. Obviously I don't know why it brought up Gears, because I clicked on Call of Duty, so that's weird. But I don't think it usually does that all the time, but for some reason I guess this is what's going on, because I thought I clicked Call of Duty, but it usually doesn't mess up like that, and I guess it did this time for some reason. I don't know why. But But yeah, this is basically that app. Nice app to have if you're kind of bored and you want to watch some people play. But the next app we have here is basically if you're in school and you don't like writing flashcards all the time and having them and carrying them around, you can use Quizlet, which is basically a place where you can sign up. Here, let me sign up real quick and I'll keep talking to you. But basically is a place where you can put all your flashcards that you would want to use for like one of your classes. So if you had like a certain class that you have to take a lot of notes in, like I'm saying like a lot of notes and there's a lot of vocabulary and stuff like that, then I'd highly recommend this app because it would be very, 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 very useful. So if you're doing that, then this is definitely the app for you. If you go on Google and stuff like that, you can definitely find a lot of stuff on Quizlet, like teachers and stuff. Definitely use all this. Like I find stuff for all my classes that I'm taking right now, and it usually helps a lot. So it's really nice to have all that. So if I log in right here, I don't know why it's failing, but for some reason it failed. But usually if you go in, you can start customizing. You can tell by the picture right here what's going on. But basically that's it. I don't know why it failed for me to log in, but that's basically it. But if you want more in depth, I can do another review, but it's really simple. Trust me, I use it all the time for my classes. I usually don't use the app. I just go online and look it up. It's usually someone already has it done for me, so then it just makes my life that much easier that I don't have to do it. Sometimes there's some that's not on there, but then I usually just study those, so that's fine. But definitely a great app to use if you're definitely in school and you just need help with some of your classes and remembering certain vocabulary and stuff like that. But there you go, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If there's any apps you guys would want to see, just put them down in the comments and I'll definitely get to them as fast as I can. It might not be in the next video upload, but it'll be soon. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.